Hello everyone, I'm Nikita from Adelaide PT Study Center. I've got another success story with me. I've got Rishi with me and a special student as well who's got 74 overall. Many congratulations to you, Rishi.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Thank you for all your help and guidance that I got during my journey. And thank you so much for giving me private consultations and all those tips that really helped me for the exam.
Thank you so much. So before this should be something that is coming at the end. Let's start the journey first of all. So can you please let us know your scores according to the modules?
So I got overall 74. In listening, I got 74. And reading, I got 71. And speaking, 75. And writing, I got 81.
81 in
81
writing.
in writing.
Rishi, just a quick question, dear. Have you given any English exam before?
No, it's my first attempt. I have never given any English exam at all. Not IELTS, not PT. So it's my first attempt in life.
And for how long did you study with us?
1 month.
1 month.
4 weeks.
4 weeks, that's
Yeah.
all.
Yeah, that's
and
all.
within first attempt, she got her scores. As she has not given any English exam before, she was so scared. She was like, "Oh, Nikita, can I make it?"
Yeah, I was like, my confidence level was very low, but because of you all, I was able to get my desired score.
In first
In
attempt
first
again.
attempt, yes.
So she just gave her exam at 1 p.m. and then I was
Yes,
like,
that's
Rishi,
right.
how much did you score? And Rishi was like, "Oh, Nikita, I made it and I got 74.
Oh yeah, above 70. Yes.
So as you said that it was just a 1 month journey. Can you please elaborate more about it? How did you start? What did you do in this 1 month?
So I started with my lectures. I attended the academic lectures, and then I had my private consultations. I followed all the format and all those formats for the essays and then writings. That really helped me, especially the exam strategies, question and answer session, all the workshops that I attended really helped me to prepare for the exam. And especially all those tips you have given me, like how to start, how much time to spend on each questions, and which questions are more important. So those things really helped me.
And the last minute tips.
Yeah, last minute tips, absolutely, yes.
I still remember she had her exam tomorrow, like the exam day
before,
before
yes.
that, and she came at 4:30.
Oh yeah, I had your consultation on that.
And she
day.
was so scared. Oh,
Yeah.
Nikita, can I make it or not? I have so many questions. What should I do? Where should I go? She even visited the center as
Oh
well,
yes,
right?
that's right. I had to look around, like I didn't know where to go, so I was just preparing myself the day before.
And then finally we made it.
Yes.
So she even performed mock tests, and the results
Yeah.
of the mock tests and what she got in the actual exam are quite similar.
Quite similar. Just it was 76 overall.
And she got 74.
Similar score, yeah.
So you can even aim for 17 and each.
Yes, if
She-
I try next time.
Yes. So she
Definitely.
basically wanted her scores for her nursing registration.
That's right.
And she's about to finish her nursing and she's already got her PT scores.
Yes.
So
already.
she's gonna be a registered nurse as well.
Yes. So I wanted to get my score before I finish my studies. So it really helped me.
And just within 1 month amount of time. And as we can see that not even 1 month, because we actually studied for maybe 2 weeks or
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, that's
She
right.
had her private consultations, her one-on-one sessions,
That's right.
the interactions with the teachers, the admin staff, and everyone.
Yeah, that's right.
And this is what we helped her to get her scores, and the beautiful smile on her face. We can see that.
Yeah.
So
Thank you
Rish,
so much.
you're welcome, dear. And what is the last question for you?
Yes.
What is the message that you can give students outside who are struggling for PT and someone like who have never given any English exam?
So I just wanted to tell them that just join the PT Adelaide Center. The staff are very friendly and helpful. They will tell you what you need to focus on more, what like topics and contents are important, where you're gonna get like higher scores. So just be prepared where you can start on, and then so that you can be like prepared on time before you give the exam, and attend all the exam strategies workshops, and then just follow whatever you say, all the tips that you give.
No worries. And as you said, attend them and they are really attentive. So did you get any follow-up calls from the instructors or from the admin staff?
Oh yeah, yeah. They said like, how am I going with my IWAS, like with the mock test results? Like you give me the consultation after my mock test. The feedback that I received really helped me with the improvement where I had to make, like especially in the read aloud. You told me to speak a bit slower. I was a bit slower, so you told me to speak a bit faster. So those all things, little things,
Helped
that
her to
helped
get
me
her
to
results
get my
scores.
score, my
So the cherry on cake, finally we have got
Yes,
the beautiful
finally.
smile on her face. Many, many congratulations to Rishi.
Yeah. Thank
And
you
thank
so
you
much,
so much,
Nikhil.
dear.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.